The closer they get, the faster they lose energy. It's an exponential process. When they're light months apart, they orbit faster, creating stronger waves, losing energy faster, spiraling inward faster. The process accelerates. That chirp LIGO detected? That was the sound of the final moments, when the black holes were so close that space-time itself was screaming, warping and twisting, as these objects completed their final orbits in a fraction of a second. In the LIGO detection, the entire merger, from the moment the signal became detectable to the final collision, took just 0.2 seconds. In that fifth of a second, the black holes released more energy than all the stars in the observable universe combined.